Nishiki Pueblo. Don't buy it. I bought this bike not knowing anything about mountain biking, but wanting to get into it. Originally, I bought this old school Mesa Runner, rode that a ton, kind of figured out how to ride trails, and then saw this on sale. I thought it was a price that could not be beat, and I figured I've rode cheap bikes before. Mountain biking can't be that different. Boy, was I wrong. Quite a few issues. I've already had to replace the tires because the original ones ripped. This was on here. Just pretend this was here. I saw a bump of logs and I rolled over thinking I had enough clearance, but then I might not be able to see. Yeah, you can see pretty well. I jacked up the chainring just by slowly rolling on it, which obviously, not a good idea. I really thought I could maybe use knowledge to afford a cheaper bike. I don't think I made the wrong choice in the bike that I picked. I don't think the Nishiki Pueblo is a bad bike for me, only because I'm enjoying learning how to fix it, and even now replacing the chain rings, I'm gonna have to replace the whole crank, which is actually gonna be kind of cool to learn how to do, but of course I've got to get the parts, so then it's funding, and it's just never a good time to be spending more money on stuff to spend more money on. But it'll be a cool winter project to be able to get it back and up to riding shape. I don't know how expensive stuff is these days, and just how much time you can spend thinking about not being able to afford, like, whatever I guess is standard at that time, which to me it feels like $600, $800 at the end of 2023 is quite reasonable for a mountain bike. That's up to standards. That's still entry level. I get that that's a reasonable price for it. It's just still really hard to afford that mentally when you just spend so much time working, or there's so many other cool things to do. It's just tough to justify spending that much money. So I understand maybe not the best purchase, but I've still got this reliable thing that I freaking love riding. It's all about just enjoying stuff, right? So pick up something you want to ride, pick up something you think looks cool, just work with it, understand it, who cares? Peace.